Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Stunning traditional home decor kitchen blends timeless charm with practicality, focusing on top-notch cabinet design ideas that elevate functionality and aesthetic appeal. Classic cabinetry styles like raised panel or shaker cabinets in rich wood tones such as cherry or oak bring a sense of warmth and elegance to the kitchen, incorporating intricate detailing like crown molding or decorative hardware adds a touch of sophistication. Using storage solutions such as pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, and built-in organizers maximizes space and enhance efficiency. Natural stone countertops like granite or marble provide durability and a luxurious feel, complementing the cabinetry beautifully. Traditional kitchen often feature focal points such as farmhouse sink or a professional grade range, which adds character and functionality. Lighting plays a crucial role with options ranging from pendant lights over the highline to under cabinet LED stripes, ensuring both ambience and task lighting are optimized, mixing traditional elements with modern conventions such as stainless steel appliances or a wind fridge creates a harmonious blend of old world charm and contemporary functionality. A well-designed kitchen layout incorporating on efficient work triangle add ampler counter space, ensures a practical cooking environment while maintaining the kitchen's traditional allure. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.